This aircraft could have saved Los Angeles. This is called the Super Scooper, a specialized firefighting aircraft designed to tackle wildfires. Unlike helicopters, this plane doesn't stop to fill its water tanks. It fills them as it moves. While an average firefighting helicopter takes up to 5 minutes to refill, and a specialized DC-10 air tanker can take up to 30 minutes to refill. This plane has 2 small water-scooping intakes that can gather up to 1,500 gallons of water in just 12 seconds from any nearby lake or ocean. It then flies directly over the fire, and with just a press of a button, the pilot drops the water with pinpoint accuracy. But why doesn't the government use these planes to fight wildfires?